Welcome family, this is the Velvet Locks with another video. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a facial toner that will help you to get rid of acne, that will fade dark spots, that will help to lighten and brighten your skin and give it that nice even glowing skin tone. Okay, we're going to even out our skin tone, but this is an easy way to do it without having to waste your avocados. All right, we're going to freeze it. Okay, I'm going to make a nice little beauty hack that you can use every morning, and it's easy, it's safe, it's easy, and you're going to see just how fast we're going to do this. Now you're going to need some aloe vera, a whole natural aloe vera plant, not the juice that I've been using. Okay, not that one, the kind that you put in the refrigerator, but get a aloe vera leaf plant. Natural is always better. You're going to also need 1 lemon. You're also going to need some ice cubes. Okay, I got these 2 for $1 at Dollar Tree. Alright, so it comes in trays of 2. And just for video purposes, you guys, I went and bought me a lemon squeezer. And today I'm going to be using my Veggie Bullet blender. Okay, so I'm just going to use the smoothie cup to that. Right, so starting off, we're going to cut our aloe vera plant. Okay, we're going to slice that up, because we're going to scrape out all of the meat, the jelly part of this plant. All right. Okay. So each time you skim some of the jelly off of your aloe vera plant, you're going to just pop that into your blender. Okay, and you're going to keep doing that. Now you can make as much as you need, or for a big aloe vera plant, it's best you just use that whole thing up, because I have wasted it before. Okay, so just cut off any little skin pieces. And just pop that into your blender cup. Okay. I'm going to finish cutting this aloe vera plant and I'll be right back. So now I'm gonna just pop this onto my Veggie Bullet and blend it up. Okay, so we're just gonna. All right. Okay, and that's now you're gonna get your ice trays out, and we're gonna make aloe vera cubes. Okay, so you're gonna take it out of your Veggie Bullet. Now it's very sticky and wet and white. You're just gonna pour a few drops into your cubes. Alright, so I'm just gonna fill up all of the trays with my aloe vera juice and lemon juice. Alright you guys, so what I did was, as you can see, I put like a tablespoon or more in each of the cube trays. So now I'm going to pop this in our freezer, and what I'm going to do is every morning take one of the cubes out, rub it all over my face and moisturize it in my skin, and it's going to help to get rid of acne, the scarring of acne, as well as lighten and brighten those dark pigmentations from pimples. Okay, this is going to do it all. Alright, and it's so simple and easy. So until the next video, you guys, I will see you then. fam. What are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that notification bell right next to it. So this way you will know when I'm uploading another video. So don't forget, hit the subscribe button, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that notification bell so you will not miss another one of these type of videos. So let's get started.